Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some gorgeous Instagram highlight covers. But before we get into it, are you guys new to my channel? If you are, go ahead and watch my videos. And if you like my content, leave a like and a comment. Share with others so they can learn as well. And of course, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified each time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So, the first thing I do is to download all the images that I need for the highlight covers. So I download the background images as well as all the icons that I will be needing. And I download the icons in PNG, meaning no background is there. I'll be primarily using the PicsArt app, so I'll be starting there. So I go in the app, select the plus icon. Now I'm going to select my first background image, which is going to be this purple glitter aesthetic image. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my next image that I'm going to be using for the rim of the circle. So I select that. I'm going to crop it to shape. So I select shape crop. I'm going to crop it in a circle. Next, I am going to decrease the size of the border. Save that. And I'm going to enlarge the circle. Next thing I'm going to do is to add a shadow. So I add the shadow and I'm going to be changing the position as well as the color of the shadow. So I'm going to change the shadow to white. And then I'm going to change the position a little bit. You can change it horizontally or vertically, which is what I'm doing right here. Next, I'm going to increase the opacity of the shadow, and you can also blur it out a little. Alright, so I want to add another shadow actually, so I want the shadow to be in two opposite corners, but I cannot add it to this image, so I'm going to be adding the image once more and cropping it to shape. Circle, enlarge. Next, decrease the size of the border, and I'm going to enlarge the circle so it matches up with the one that I had before, and I'm going to add the shadow to this circle. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and change the shadow color to white. And I'm going to be changing the position of the shadow. And I want to get the shadow as close to the circle as possible, or large enough so it is noticeable but not too obvious. Alright, so I'm going to be adding another image. So I add this image right here. I'm going to crop this in a circle as well. So crop it to shape, circle, enlarge. Select next. Decrease the size of the border. And I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to enlarge that image. So the gold image forms a nice gold border around this one. Alright, so I'm going to be using this image as the basis for all my highlight covers. So instead of having to make it 5 times for the 5 highlight covers that I'll be doing, I just make it once and then I add everything else one after the other. So now I'm going to be changing the color of my icons. So I select a plain white image in PicsArt, fit it to shape, select the icon that I want. I'm going to be adding another image, which is going to be this purple plain image. I put it over the image and I am going to be blending it. So I select blend and I select lighten, and it totally transforms the icon. So I'll be doing this for all the icons. So guys, if you like what you see so far, go ahead and leave a like, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you think you can make your own highlight covers using this tutorial, let me know in the comment section. But if you perhaps have a small business running and you don't have the time to make your own highlight covers, or if you have your personal Instagram highlight cover and you prefer to have it professionally made, you guys can always hit me up on my business page, nifty_assignment_services, or on my personal page, ILUVTEETEE on Instagram, and I will definitely hook you guys up. So now that we have changed the color for all the icons, we will be adding them one by one to our template. Oh, so before we get into that, we have to remove the background of the icons. So we're gonna go into the eraser app, and we're gonna open the icon there. We're gonna select target area, well, target color, select a white section, and all the background will be erased. And we will be doing the same thing for all the icons. So now that we got that out of the way, we will be adding the icons to the template now. So we add the icon and we enlarge it and center it as well. Now we're gonna add a text. So you guys know how sometimes when you're on Instagram and you put in your highlight cover and you're supposed to name it, sometimes it does not give you the option to write the full name of whatever the highlight cover is, because it doesn't have enough space. And then sometimes when you look at it, based on the length of the words that you put there, everything does not show. So instead of facing that problem, I decided to add what exactly it is on the highlight cover instead. So I'll be adding all the names of the different highlight covers there. So I'll be adding price list, delivery, payments, order, and so on the highlight covers. And here you can select any font style that you like. You can select a very plain one, or you can select a more stylish one. And you can also play around with the color or the shade of purple as well, which is what I'll be doing right here. So guys, if you realize, I am now posting YouTube shorts on my channel. So every day I post a new tip or trick, things you did not know you could do on your iPhone. If you found them useful, you can always let me know. Just comment below the video, let me know what you think of it. And if you know something that I don't know, you guys can go ahead and hit me up and let me know so I can share it with everybody else. So guys, I have a how-to videos playlist. You guys can check it out. Pretty much all the videos that I showed you how to do something on Instagram or on YouTube is in that playlist, so you guys can go ahead and check out that one as well. I also have a playlist showcasing when I'm doing unboxing for small businesses as well, so you guys can check that out as well. So these are the highlight covers that I have, guys. So if you like them, remember to leave a like, leave a comment, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Bye. Mwah.